Hello students, welcome back to CLARIconcepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. Today we will talk about the hydrostatic force on the couch surfaces. So already we need to understand that why it is important for us to understand what is the amount of hydrostatic force that are acting on the submerged couch surfaces. So let us take the examples. You see this dam is a couch surface, right? So in order to understand what exact amount of force this dam has to withstand, we need to, even before designing, people should know that what is the amount of force that it has to withstand. And based on that force, you design the dam, right, for its safety. So how do engineers make sure that what is the amount of hydrostatic force that is acting on this couch surface? So today we are going to talk about hydrostatic force and its estimation on the couch surfaces. Similarly, you talk about this couch surface in the tunnel, underwater tunnel for passing the trains. Then the couch surfaces of the submarine, or you can say couch surfaces of the underwater hotels. So all of these examples are such that you need to understand and figure out what is the exact amount of hydrostatic force acting on the couch surface. And this input will be really helpful for design engineers to figure out to design these particular structures for its safety, right? So let us move ahead. Today we will talk about the hydrostatic force on the couch surface. Okay. So let us say, for example, I have this container where the liquid or any fluid is filled, and I want to know that from point A to point C, this is the couch surface, what is the exact amount of force that this particular fluid is applying on this surface, right? Now here you cannot say that Fr is equals to Pc into A, because at each of this point, if you see at each of this point, as the hydrostatic force will always be acting normal, the direction of small forces are all different. Right. So how will you figure out the total force acting on this particular